Maya Payado Kabaleng, good day mga ka-topic! Samahan niyo po ako ngayon sa ating kwentuhan ngayong araw. At syempre makakasama po natin ang itinanghal na Miss CLTV36 Telegenic at ang reigning Mutsaning Kapampangan 2022 first runner-up, walang iba, si Miss Leeana Laughlin. Magandang araw, Leeana. Kumusta ka? At talagang iba ang beauty kapag in person mo nakakausap pag isang beauty queen. How are you? How are you doing?
I'm doing very well po, and I'm very excited for this interview. And of course, I'm really glad that I got to meet you in person now.
O, di ba? Nakakatuwa naman dahil last time nagkausap kami via Zoom lang. After nitong mga nakaraang mga araw, kasi matagal na tayong hindi nag-uusap, ano bang pinagkaabalahan ni Leeana?
After Mutsaning Kapampangan po, I took a little rest to take care of my well-being and my mental health. But now I am back here and I will actually be competing for Miss Creba representing Pampanga, and I am now preparing for that po.
Yun, pero mamaya pag-uusapan pa natin yun, pagsali niya sa ibang mga beauty pageant. Pero Leeana, are you still studying right now?
Yes po. I am currently studying in New Era University and I am incoming my third year. I am taking up marketing management.
Yun, ayan, gusto ko yung mga kursong marketing management. Ang ibig sabihin ba ng marketing management ay minamanage mo ang pinamamalengke mo. Leeana, is that it?
You could also think about it that way. But it's mostly about sales and marketing, advertising.
Marami siguro ang nag-iisip, nagtataka, no? And syempre, paano ka na-influence, no? Na pumasok sa beauty pageantry?
Since I was younger po, I really love watching beauty pageants. And as a young child, I got a lot of compliments from people saying that I'm really beautiful and I'm really smart and I could be the next Miss Universe. And honestly, they really believed in it, so that made me believe in myself.
Palagay ko, kung ganyan kaganda si Leeana, siguro yung mama niya ganyan din kaganda. Totoo ba yun, Leeana? The beauty of the daughter is also the beauty of the mother. Is that true, Leeana?
That is very true. My mom is not only beautiful, but also very intelligent, which made the light for me.
Kung sakali bang si mami ba kung pwede ba sumali din siya sa mga ganitong klaseng beauty pageants noon if she had the chance?
Actually, she told me a story about her times and she actually joined a beauty pageant. And I think that's what also made me pursue beauty pageant, is that it was also her dream and I am now pursuing it.
And syempre, ano yung pakiramdam mo na parang naipagpapatuloy mo ngayon yung dreams ng mami mo noon?
Of course po, I am very happy. Because I'm not only happy for my own individual self, but whenever I see the spark in my mother's eyes, I could see how proud she is. It makes me more motivated to push myself to bigger things.
And I think, simula bata ka, marami ka ng sinalihang mga beauty pageants, and recently nga ay nakasali ka sa Mutsaning Kapampangan 2022. Kwento mo naman sa amin yung experience mo doon.
Sa Mutsaning Kapampangan? Honestly po, Mutsaning Kapampangan, it was very scary for me. Kasi po, 3 years po akong hindi nag-pageant dahil po sa pandemic. So, I just used the fear that I had inside of me, the fear of making mistakes, and I use it as motivation and turn it into something beautiful. Because as you can see, I performed very well in Mutsaning Kapampangan.
And obvious naman sa naging pag-uusap nyo, no? Sa kay Sir Boy Abunda, kung may Boy Abunda noon na nakausap si Leeana, ngayon naman kausap niya si Boy Abunda. So for that, kamusta yung experience mo, no? Usually kasi si Boy Abunda, may fast talk yan, nakakausap iba-ibang artista, mga famous people. And then ikaw nakausap mo isang Boy Abunda, ako Boy Abunda ulit. Kamusta ang feeling? Nag-viral pa yung sagot mo sa kanyang tanong.
Actually po, he's actually very known for controversial and very mind-twisting questions. And it was an honor to be able to talk to him like that on stage.
Rose, how would you introduce Pampanga to other countries? Highlight the things that make you proud to be Kapampangan. Uulitin ko, how would you introduce Pampanga to other countries? Highlight the things that make you proud to be Kapampangan.
There's so many beautiful things about Pampanga. The food, the people, the culture, and the tourism itself. If I were to introduce Pampanga to someone outside of the country, I would give them a breath of fresh air and take them to the hidden gems of Pampanga. And one example that I could give to you is Dr. Pingle's Sunset Boulevard, which is located in my town, Minaleño. And it is a place where you can not only see a nice view or a beautiful sunset, but you can also come there to relax, refresh, and reconnect.
And if you ask me what I felt when he asked me that question, I honestly felt scared a little bit, but it seems like there's always something that's guiding me. It seems like God is watching over me because those words that I said just came out beautifully.
Alright. And then, syempre, bilang isang beauty queen, Leeana, alam mo, nakakainggit, no? Nakakainggit kasi they take care of themselves, no? Yung kanilang health, how to be fit. Leeana, meron ka bang fina-follow o mga ginagawang mga paraan how to keep yourself healthy, ha, Leeana?
As we all know po, in beauty pageant, there's always pressure to look good and to have a good figure. And to be honest with you, I like to eat a lot. And especially, I like to eat Susie's Cuisine po. Their palabok is my favorite. And I just can't help myself. But the true secret is of what keeps my figure slim is, of course, the slim fare. And it does not only offer slimming benefits, but also good health benefits.
Wow! Susie's Cuisine, ha? And slim fare. Baka naman, ako, mabagod nyo rin. Mukhang mahihirapan kayo. And you told us earlier that you'll be joining pageants in the future. Ano yung mga sasalihan mo, Leeana?
My upcoming pageant po will be Miss Creba, and I will be representing Pampanga. But of course, in the future, I am also looking forward to joining Binibining Pilipinas or maybe Miss Universe Philippines. And from this time on, I am preparing myself physically and mentally to bring out the best version of myself and to make the Kapampangans proud, of course.
Ayan. And syempre, kapag ba downtime ni Leeana, anong ginagawa niya? Kapag hindi humaharap sa mga pageant, no? At hindi nag-aaral, ano bang ginagawa niya? May pa-Netflix pa dyan, maghapon na K-drama, o talagang pupunta ng Susie's Cuisine, uupo lang ato, order lahat ng gustong kainin. Ha, Leeana?
Other than eating Susie's Cuisine po, I really enjoy my hobbies. And my hobbies are golfing, and I also like to do yoga and meditation. It really actually helps with being in a beauty pageant to keep a calm mind, especially when you have to do public speaking.
Yun. So, yan, no? Talaga namang, alam nyo, ramdam yung presensya ng isang beauty queen kakabang kausap ng in-person si Leeana. And marami sa inyo siguro ang nag-aantay ng advice, so, lalo na sa ating mga nais sumali sa mga beauty pageants. Ano kayang may iwan ng advice sa inyo? No? Siyempre, papaano ba yan? Kailangan bang talagang maging very, very beautiful, very healthy, very slim? Ano ang maibibigay mong advice? What advice can you give sa iba nating mga kababayan na nais sumabak sa ganitong mga klaseng beauty pageants?
To all the Kapampangans who want to join beauty pageants just like me, the best advice that I could give to you is to get to know yourself. As we know in beauty pageant, there is a Q&A portion. And this is really what holds people back, is a fear of doing the Q&A portion. And I think the main problem is that the people or the girls are not really in touch with themselves and their beliefs. And if you know who you are and you know what you believe in, I think that is important. And at the same time, you take care of yourself physically and mentally, and that way you could bring out the best version of you on stage.
Lagi po kayong tumutok sa CLTV36 para sa latest updates. Samahan niyo po ako muli sa susunod na Jhodie's Top Pick.